Today in the grain market, soybeans were lower. The futures did jump up to start the day, but it fizzled. After that, the market really started to have a little bit more pressure. It looks like just March coming in as a lion is only applying to the stock market at this point. Now, the China buying index is now the lowest it's been in about 9 months. So it looks like that it's starting to slow down somewhat, and that's going to be having an effect on the market. And of course, as the market starts to turn, everybody scrambles to find out where their support levels are. And it looks like our support level is at that 1340 level, and we're a little bit a ways from that now. But, a drop in the market also would mean a drop in the option volatility and those kind of things. So we'll see those that's starting to contract a little bit. Corn was down as well. I think that just more selling into the start of the month. We were waiting to see if this was going to happen. We expected really that there would be somewhat of a turnaround because February was so choppy, and it just hasn't come quite yet. Now, we are trading the headlines both out of China and South America, and there isn't much to be said about it, and I think that's why we're seeing a little bit more selling pressure in the market. I think we expect a little bit of uptick in some volatility as we approach the USDA report coming up next week. Now, the objective even for corn right now would be about 525. Interestingly enough, in the options on Thursday and Friday, the most active option strike was the 540 strike. And then here we are, the market moved right to it. So that just lets you know the significance of some of those indicators that will tell you which way the market's going to go. And it's certainly the technicals kind of are in charge right now. Now, wheat did fall again, and overbought futures did add to the market pressure. And there's a lot of things happening in wheat. It's really not clear about Russia, about the taxes and how it's going to be rolled out. And so we can't really respond to that right now. We're still waiting to see if there's going to be some damage from the winter kill. We're having a difficult time with that. And now the forecast is a little bit warmer going forward. So the support level on this is about the 640 number. We're still a ways away. And listen, we've had a 40-cent move in wheat in just the past 2 sessions. So that just tells you how big the volatility is and how important it is to kind of like manage your risk and manage what's going on. Maybe the market's going to continue like this, and if so, we can expect really an uptick in volume and more of an uptick in other participation in these markets. And with all the pullback going on in the grains, the long-term trend is still to the upside. So this right now is still considered a correction.